as if by magic, the roof is on. It only takes literally seconds to put up. So there's press studs along the front, there's 4 on the sides. That's basically it, but really, really pleased. Really pleased with the top. I tried to copy the old MG tops, the 40s and 50s. So it gives enough weather protection, but lovely quality. It gives enough weather protection for showers and everything. You might get a bit of a wet arm now and again, but generally, really good top out of vinyl. So that's it for the Midge project. Has to go into storage shortly for a few months because I'm obviously on with the kitchen. But yeah, it's been a good little project. It's just tidied up a lot. You know, it was a bit ropey. I actually started out I was going to paint the cowl and then it turned into the holes underneath the mudguard. Then it turned into the whole thing. But yeah, really pleased. So see you on the next video. Might even have a run out somewhere. Right. See you later. Bye.